Morning everyone, it's Rachel here and I am going to show you our new kits. So I did some of these and Steph did a couple of pages and then he did the tags and everything. So I did most of the journal pages except for a couple, I think. And then Steph did the rest. So this is kind of like our new Easter kit. However, I haven't really put too much except maybe some in the tags and the ephemera. In the journal pages, it's a bit more botanical, but you will find bunny rabbits here and there, or hares and flowers. So it's a bit like a spring sort of kit, but we will call it our Easter kit, whatever number. I can't remember what we're up to. However, take note that it's not all really like super Eastery. So you could use it for at any time of the year. That's all what I'm trying to say. So there's 8 pages. I'm going to have a couple of extra for freebies. I've got to get organised and organise those. So this is the journal pages. So you've got a rabbit or a hare there, but not like overly Easter. So really, really loving this kit. Can't wait to have a play with it. Yeah. See, there's the rabbies there, but not Easter rabbits. And here, I love that page. It's super pretty. And got a bird here. Now, this page will be also in the freebie with a bunny on it. I didn't know which I liked best, but I think the bird is the best. Well, no, I don't know which is the best, but one's going in the freebie, one's going in. I love this page. Steffi did this one. So pretty. Okay, so that's the journal pages, 8 as usual. And then we've got tags. Now, Steph did a new shape with the tags. And then he's decorated them up as well. And I haven't really had a chance to look at them closely, but I don't think they're overly Eastery either. They've just got bunnies and hares. Oh, there's one there. But he's carrying a basket with veggies in. So it could be more like a Peter Rabbit. And then here... Really, really love them. So lovely tags. You see them all? Yes, just checking. And then we did some of these cards again because I absolutely love those. And they all coordinate together, and they'll probably coordinate too with any other things that we've done as well. So that one. And then we've done some envelopes. And the envelopes are not Eastery at all. So there's 3 here, and then one's going to go in my freebie that is for my newsletter. So this one and then this one. And then I've got some of my own scanned ephemera that I've purchased over time. So we have these here. They're Victorian. Most of these are Victorian. And then there's a little public domain bunny to cut out. But no fussy cutting except for that. So I just love these things. And I thought they're kind of pretty and spring sort of colours and could work well with this kit. And then there's a couple of Easter postcards, and that one is also Easter, but it's also very spring as well. So I thought they'd be fun. And then I got Steffi to do some labels, with decorated labels that I thought could be fun to put on things. So, and I've put them in different sizes. So I'll just go through them. There's like, I can't remember how many types. This shape, there's only a couple of shapes, but then I've done them in all different sizes. So there you can see it's the same 4, but in 3 different sizes on the page. These are the 4 just all one size. And then I've done those a smaller size on here. I've done all of those at all different sizes on this page, and then a few different sizes on this page as well, so they can be adapted to any kind of project. So those are our new kits. I'm really excited, and I'm going to start having a play with them because they are so colourful and lovely. So I will see you again soon and have a play with them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.